What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly fix a slow download speed on your Microsoft Edge browser. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Launch Microsoft Edge and in the address bar, type Edge flags and hit enter. This will take you to the experiments page. In the search bar, type parallel downloading and locate the feature. Once found, set parallel downloading to enabled from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to restart your browser. Click on Restart for the changes to take effect. This feature allows Edge to create multiple connections to download a file, which can potentially increase download speed. When this is done, click on the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen to open the menu. Then navigate to Settings. In Settings, locate and click on the System and Performance tab. Toggle off the Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed option to free up resources. Additionally, toggle on the Use hardware acceleration when available option to allow Edge to utilize your hardware to improve performance. While still in Settings, navigate to the Privacy, Search and Services tab. Scroll down to the Services section and consider toggling off options that may not be necessary as they could be consuming network resources. For example, you might want to toggle off Microsoft Defender Smart Screen temporarily to check if it improves download speed. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can test your internet speed by visiting speedtest.net or fast.com. This page will show you the average up and download speed of your network connection to the closest server. If you experience a fluctuating download speed, then restart your router and reduce the amount of devices using the same network connection. Sometimes, cache data can interfere with browser performance. Go to Settings, Privacy, Search and Services. Clear browsing data to clear cache, cookies and other browsing data. In other cases, browser extensions can slow down download speeds. Go to Settings, Extensions to disable any unnecessary extensions and then restart Edge. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in the download speeds of your Microsoft Edge browser. For a more in-depth guide and additional tips, refer to the extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.